This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melani Grindley. Beautiful 1.54-acre lot in the Coosawattee River Resort sits flat to rolling with a small stream. Amenities such as river access, fishing, kayaking, tubing, gated entrance, 3 pools, 1 indoor, tennis/basketball courts, mini golf, parks, pavilions, and walking trails. In the heart of wineries, eateries, antique stores, hiking/biking. Seller has soil test and survey. This large lot is ready for placement of a new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Melani Grindley at 706-276-1254.